Welcome back to my channel. Today in 2026, Citroën DS21 marks the rebirth of an automotive legend, bringing with it a sense of nostalgic elegance blended seamlessly with futuristic innovation. Originally launched in 1955 and celebrated for its advanced design, hydropneumatic suspension, and futuristic aesthetic, the DS21 became an icon of French automotive engineering. Citroën, under the DS Automobiles brand, has now reimagined this classic for a new era. The 2026 DS21 pays homage to its lineage through its unmistakable silhouette, retaining the flowing lines, sleek profile, and subtle curvature that once stunned the world. However, beneath that sculpted retro-modern skin lies a thoroughly contemporary machine built for the future. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 DS21, it's clear that Citroën wasn't just interested in copying the past, they've elevated it. The body, crafted using ultra-lightweight aluminum and composite materials, is optimized for aerodynamics, helping to deliver exceptional efficiency without compromising the car's distinctive presence. Up front, the signature DS grille is reinterpreted with a sleek, seamless digital panel, housing adaptive LED matrix headlights that echo the original's directional lamps. These smart lights not only turn with the steering to illuminate curves, but also adjust beam width based on driving speed and conditions. The iconic single-spoke steering wheel makes a futuristic return, this time integrated with a haptic feedback system and AI-powered controls. Inside, the DS21 is a celebration of French luxury. Soft-touch materials sourced from sustainable origins coat every surface. From the artisan-stitched leather seats to the crystal-clear OLED dashboard display, every inch is designed to elevate the driving experience. The dashboard, which once featured a simple layout in the original model, is now a floating 3D digital cockpit, projecting key information in a customizable layout directly into the driver's line of sight. Under the hood, or rather under the floor in this case, the 2026 DS21 features a dual-motor all-electric powertrain. This setup offers a combined output of 420 horsepower and a stunning 600 Nm of torque, ensuring rapid acceleration and smooth power delivery. The DS21 can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.5 seconds, making it one of the most agile luxury EVs in its segment. With a 98 kWh battery pack and advanced thermal management, the DS21 boasts a real-world driving range of over 400 miles on a single charge. It supports ultra-fast 350 kW charging, allowing 80% battery replenishment in just 18 minutes, ideal for long-distance touring across Europe's scenic routes or American highways. The platform, co-developed with Stellantis, new EVMP architecture, ensures structural rigidity and impressive handling, making every drive a refined yet thrilling experience. The suspension, a hallmark of the original DS21, has been reimagined using adaptive electro-hydraulic technology. This modern variant mimics the original's magic carpet, ride by dynamically adjusting damping and ride height hundreds of times per second. This ensures unparalleled comfort, even on uneven roads. Citroën has also introduced an intelligence drive system, allowing the vehicle to scan road surfaces ahead using lidar and cameras, preemptively adjusting suspension settings to eliminate bumps before you even feel them. The result is a drive that feels almost surreal, like gliding on air. Add to that the near-silent operation of the electric drivetrain and you have a cabin that's not only quiet but almost meditative, ideal for both urban commuting and countryside cruising. Connectivity in the DS21 is cutting edge. The infotainment system is powered by DS Connect 2.0, an AI-enhanced operating system that learns your habits and preferences over time. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrates with a proprietary app that allows remote diagnostics, over-the-air updates, and even preconditioning of the cabin. Voice commands are handled by a natural language AI assistant, capable of controlling everything from navigation and entertainment to climate and drive settings. Meanwhile, passengers enjoy immersive 4D audio delivered through 18 strategically placed speakers by Focal Electra, delivering a concert hall experience even when cruising at highway speeds. Rear seat occupants have access to individual touch panels, allowing them to control ambient lighting, seating position, and media playback. The ambient lighting itself offers a palette of over 64 customizable colors, shifting gently with driving modes and time of day. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 DS21 comes equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic lane changes, and intelligent parking assistance. In urban environments, it can even navigate roundabouts and intersections with minimal driver intervention. Its suite of sensors and redundancy systems ensure maximum reliability and safety. In terms of crash protection, the vehicle has achieved a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, thanks to its reinforced safety cell, pedestrian detection, and automatic emergency braking. Citroën has taken the extra step of adding a real-time driver monitoring system to detect fatigue or distraction, ensuring safety is always paramount. Customization is a major theme in the new DS21. Buyers can choose from a wide array of heritage-inspired exterior colors, including iconic shades like Blue Royal, Green Palladium, and Vert Olive, all given a modern twist with metallic or pearlescent finishes. Wheel designs, available in 19 and 21-inch variants, recall the fluted chrome discs of the original, yet feature modern aerodynamics for improved efficiency. The interior too offers a bespoke experience, with options ranging from classic black and white leather to rich earth tone Alcantara and wood trim sourced from sustainable European forests. For those seeking the ultimate exclusivity, DS Automobiles offers a haute couture edition, crafted by hand in their Parisian atelier, with endless personalization options, from embroidery to material inlays. Perhaps most striking about the 2026 Citroën DS21 is how it balances reverence for its past with fearless innovation. It's not merely a modern car with retro cues, nor a classic car forced into a new body. It's a statement, a fusion of two eras that stands entirely on its own. It serves as a love letter to a time when car design was bold and expressive, while embracing the ethical and technological responsibilities of today's mobility. This is not just a car, it's an experience, a conversation between generations of engineers, designers, and dreamers. Driving the DS21 is like entering a portal where history and future converge, each mile unfolding like a curated story on wheels. It turns heads not because it screams for attention, but because it whispers elegance and originality in a language few cars can still speak. In essence, the 2026 Citroën DS21 redefines what it means to drive a luxury electric car. It delivers comfort, performance, technology, and artistry in one beautifully sculpted package. It's a symbol of what happens when tradition meets transformation, when a brand dares to resurrect its greatest icon not just for nostalgia, but for progress. For enthusiasts and newcomers alike, the DS21 offers more than transportation. It offers emotion. It offers legacy. And above all, it offers a glimpse into the future of timeless design. For those seeking something that stands apart in a sea of sameness, the DS21 is more than a car. It's a masterpiece reborn.